Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income, but it can be overwhelming if you don't know where to start. In this video, we'll share the best tips for affiliate marketing that will help you succeed in this industry and make money online. Welcome to our channel, where we share the best ways to make money online. In this video, we'll be sharing our top tips for affiliate marketing. Whether you're new to this industry or looking to improve your skills, these tips will help you succeed in affiliate marketing and earn passive income. The first step to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. You want to pick a niche that you're passionate about and that has a high demand for products or services. This will make it easier for you to promote products and make sales. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to research the best affiliate programs. Look for programs that offer high commissions, have a good reputation, and provide quality products or services. You should also consider the level of support and resources the program offers to their affiliates. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to build a strong brand. This includes creating a professional website or blog, using social media to build a following, and establishing yourself as an expert in your niche. A strong brand will help you build trust with your audience and make it easier to promote products. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to provide quality content that is relevant and helpful to your audience. This includes creating product reviews, how-to guides, and other valuable content that will engage your audience and drive traffic to your site. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income, but it requires time and effort to be successful. By choosing the right niche, researching the best affiliate programs, building a strong brand, and focusing on quality content, you can succeed in affiliate marketing and make money online. Thanks for watching this video on the best tips for affiliate marketing. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to our channel for more great videos on how to make money online.